Welcome back, my friends. Michael Heuninckx here, your TCRN instructor here with Solheim Enterprises, and this is another video in my mini lecture series. Today we're going to talk about abdominal compartment syndrome, but what we're going to talk about specifically is how abdominal compartment syndrome affects the lungs. As that intra-abdominal pressure is rising, the diaphragm is going to push up on the lungs. When there is that diaphragm pressing up on your lungs with that force and pressure behind it, yes, these patients will be on the ventilator, but as you're trying to fill their lungs up, their lungs are not able to expand because of the pressure from the abdomen. This is going to have the ventilator have a very high peak pressure, and you're going to have low tidal volumes because those lungs cannot expand. Because those lungs cannot expand, your patients are going to have a difficult time oxygenating, and their saturations, their O2 saturations, are going to decrease along with that. Now, these are all later findings in abdominal compartment syndrome, and hopefully you've noticed it beforehand, but once you start to notice these respiratory changes, if you haven't already, then abdominal compartment syndrome needs to be on your mind, and proper escalation of cares and attention is needed to that patient. I hope you found this information informative, and we'll see you next time.